Most founders work harder every year but grow slower. Hi, I am Sunita Pitnekar, and in last 15 years I have worked with more than 100 entrepreneurs to help them build systems which works without their constant intervention. And one pattern is very clear. Effort is not a problem, design is. Think business is like a pipe. If the pipe is clear, water keeps flowing. If the pipe is clogged, pushing more water will not help. It will only overflow or burst. In business, that clog is called system debt. It's the invisible pile of manual work, extra steps, outdated tools, too many approvals, memory based work, too many dependencies. Let's understand where this system debt hides. First one, people based systems. If one person holds all the information, then your business is fragile. And one leave, one crisis, and everything stalls. The second one is broken hands off. When work moves from one tool to the other, errors multiply. Mistakes don't happen in the work, it happens in the moments. Third one, approval bottlenecks. Every unnecessary permission, okays, kills the speed of your work. It's like if everything waits, nothing moves ahead. Fourth one, process no one questions. I don't know why we do it. We just follow instruction. This sentence is very expensive. Let me give you a fix to this. Small but very powerful. System debt is not solved in one weekend. It is built weekly. Here is your weekly cleanup ritual. Every Friday, ask what slowed us this week, what confused us, what repeated, what annoyed us. Do one cleanup every week. Let me give you few more ideas to clean up system debt. Delete one report, remove one approval, merge one task, and you will feel lighter immediately. Most founders chase speed, but real growth comes from removing friction. If you want a structured way to clear system, then watch my Score Business Framework training. It shows you where your systems are clogged and how to remove that barrier. For more details, check the link given in the description. To scale your business, you don't need more systems. You need systems which work swiftly. Subscribe if you need more practical business growing ideas. And I will see you in the next video.